Hi everyone and welcome to Curious at Heart. Today I'm going to do something pretty exciting. I'm going to unpack one of our kits for you so you get more of an idea of what's included and I guess all the added value that comes with purchasing one of our kits. There's lots of really cool features that I want to show you and it's much easier to show you with the materials. So the first thing I will go over that each kit, when you first order from us, each kit will come with some kind of tools to help your child manage their learning and make life a bit easier for you. So we have a learning journal. This all comes with instructions on how you can use these for your child. This is the display book. So what's cool about this is it's one book to display the whole curriculum instead of having a book for each subject. These are also your child's work folders. So one of them will be a work in progress folder and one of them will be a work completed folder. So that comes with your kit as well. So we tell you how to use these to kind of set up a way to help children become accountable for their learning and also manage it so there's not bits of paper everywhere and chaos kind of thing. And you get 3 pencils. These are mostly for math. It's red, blue and green. We use this a lot for place value in math. So they come with the first kit as well. So the kit I'm unpacking today is a 6 to 9-year-old kit, so it's aimed at that younger age group. There are some lessons that will be appropriate for 9 to 12 as well, and there's probably some like quite young lessons. We've done quite a range to try and span all levels. So one of the main things that you're going to want to look at when you first get your kit is your ring binder. So this has all the lessons that you will be presenting to your child. There are 28 lessons included in the kit, so that's 7 lessons a week. How you deliver them is totally up to you, maybe 1 or 2 a day, maybe your child just wants to do heaps one day, I don't know. I would suggest 1 or 2 lessons a day and then let your child really explore that concept so that you're not just overloading them. The idea of these packs is that we give you these 28 lessons to kind of plant these little seeds of interest and then see what grows, because ultimately, especially in Montessori, we say you want to follow the child. So these are just little seeds of interest across the whole curriculum that you can plant and hopefully some really beautiful things grow. So the folder, let's have a look. So we open it up and it's got dividers which are separating the different subject areas. So I'm just going to take a lesson out to have a look at. So this is from our Grace and Courtesy subject area. And this is how to set a table. So you can take the lesson out like that. Now, what I do ask of parents is if you can read through the lesson the night before, and extra points if you can practice it. I'm not asking you to cut up materials, to go hunting on the internet for ideas or anything like that. We've done all that for you. I just need you to read through the lesson the night before you present it and maybe have a little practice, especially if it's a math one, just so you kind of don't confuse your child too much. If you do, it's okay. Children are really great at, getting unconfused and back on track. So you take a lesson out the night before you're going to present it. You can see here it just has a subject area. It says discovery, which is how to prepare a table setting. It tells you the materials you will need. Any materials we think you don't have, you might not have, we've included. So in this pack, we have included a napkin and a napkin ring, because there's a bit of napkin folding for this lesson. So it has here a presentation about what you would tell your child you're going to do today, and maybe some questions you could ask them to get them ready for the lesson. It also has step-by-step pictures. So this is how you would set the tray up if you're going to have it on a shelf with all the things that you need to do the lesson. And so you just prepare that the night before. You'd go with your child to the shelf, say, can you grab this tray, bring it to a table or a mat, and you would start presenting your lesson. What's really great about most of our lessons is you can put them back on the shelf, all in one piece in the tray, and the child can repeat it by themselves once you've presented it. So this particular one's got 3 different pages of instructions. So at the end, another really cool thing we have provided is curiosity cues. So in the curiosity cues, we have asked some questions to help inspire maybe some other activities you could do with your child, or your child could choose one. So, do different cultures sit at different types of tables. Can you research and do some origami, because there is some napkin folding in there? Can you research table manners? Are they different in different countries? Can you learn how to sew your own set of napkins? Are there some other folds that you might want to try? And I'm telling you, there's a lot of napkin folds, so go to town on that one. Also, you can see here there is a link at all the in all our lessons at the very bottom to the New Zealand curriculum. So this particular one is actually linked to health and physical education, and it said take individual and collective action to contribute to environments that can be enjoyed by all. As every kit comes each month, you can just slot in your new lessons into your folder. So the folder only gets sent out in the first pack. So let's get on to the fun part, some of the materials that are in the 6 to 9 year old kit. So this has quite a few geography lessons. So we have included a globe for you to use in your lessons there. There is also there's a big lesson on time in this particular pack. So this is some diary paper that will be included when you're going to make a big kind of timeline of all the things you do that week with this to help show the passing of time. We have got this particular kit also has some land and water forms lessons. So we've got 2 containers. We've got some blue food colouring to act as your water, and then we've got some cards. So one of the lessons in the folder is making Play-Doh. So you'll make the Play-Doh with your child and then you use it to do the land and water forms. So here we've got some cards that you would show your child to make the different types of land and water forms. So there's a lake, and then you'll see the opposite of a lake is an island. So it's a fun lesson that's included. So another lesson we have for botany in this particular pack, we have a investigating the needs of plants experiment that you're going to carry out with your child. So the seeds are there, the little containers, and the soil is in there as well. So that comes with the pack. Along with the geography lessons in the globe, we have materials in Montessori called impressionistic charts. And so these are, with our particular kits, they're A3, and they're just kind of a discussion point. So you can see here this one's about the size of the earth in comparison to the sun. And we've given you in the lesson like some questions you could ask your child to kind of inspire discussion, and hopefully it inspires them to ask questions, and they make pretty cool posters afterwards as well. So that particular chart's with this kit. This particular kit, also has the math material of the golden beads. So this first kit is quite material heavy. You're going to be able to use the materials again and again and again, month after month, because the lessons, the materials, have so many different lessons you can give with them. So this is quite a young material, but a really good one to go back to if your child is a bit lost in a concept. You can bring the golden beads back in. It's just your 1,000, your 100, your 10, and your units, and we can use them to compare quantities and see how many units are in tens and hundreds and thousands and all that kind of thing. We also provide a tray. So this tray is used in lots of different lessons. It's used as a grammar box, this tray as well. So we'll give you instructions on how to turn it into the material you're using it to present in. But again, look after your materials because they'll be used again in further months to come. What else have we got? We've also got, with this particular pack, we've got a sight words lesson with a golden alphabet. So there's an alphabet in there for you, there's a box to store it in, and there's a golden pen. Again, this alphabet will be used in heaps of other lessons that we do along the track. Another math material. We also have here a stamp game. So again, this is used in heaps of different lessons. You've got some 1,000 stamps, hundreds, tens and units, and they all come in little boxes, so it's nice and easy to present to your child. Sorry, these are the sight words that came with the puzzle, the golden alphabet. This is just a little kit on learning about the verb. So it's got the cards that you need, and there's a little ball there. And this particular kit is a 6 to 9 kit, so it comes with kind of a reading program as well. This is one of the reading activities. It's called the pink boxes, and so it has little phonetic words and pictures that your child can match. Again, once you've presented it, they can put it on the shelf and practice it themselves without you. So there's a little box to you can change up the cards that go in there. These materials are really cool. They're part of our history curriculum, and also they kind of cross over into zoology as well. This is called the Timeline of Life. It's a really awesome timeline that we've designed off one of Marie Montessori's materials about all the different types of animals and how they have evolved right from the beginning of life, and the different eras at the top. So we've given you a lesson, points to discuss with your child, and then, which is really cool, you've got the full timeline, and then you have got the mute timeline, so it doesn't have any pictures on it. So this also comes with little picture cards of all these animals, and you can leave your child independently to recreate the timeline and place all the animals in the correct order. So that's quite cool as well. This is a material we come back to with lots of different lessons as well, and hopefully there's some animals on there that your child might be interested in, and it might inspire some research and learning how to pronounce really big words. So yeah, these are our timelines, and so we use this material in packs for lots of different types of things as well. What else have we got? So, and then lastly, it comes with an envelope just full of the last bits and pieces that we have in the pack. So there is some material to make a nature journal. So there's a piece of cardboard, a skewer and a rubber band. There's instructions how to make that. These are more of our reading program. These are like word cards with pictures, and there's lists as well. This is for a botany chart for a botany nature journal activity. It's more of the reading program. There's some templates for your child to make their own 3-part cards. I'm going to show you some 3-part cards soon. So another one of the materials we use quite a lot in Montessori is the 3-part card. So in the 6 to 9 packs, they're quite not too tricky, the reading in them, but what we do in the folder is we give you a way to present it if your child can read or if your child is still learning to read. So there's different presentation styles. But all of our 3-part cards always come with what's called control cards. So these are cards with the answer on them. That means that this material, once you've presented, again, can be used independently and your child can check the answers themselves. So it comes with the little cards that you put together, and then it comes with the answer cards as well. So again, we really want to build independence in the children so that they can do things by themselves as well. So there's a lesson on days of the week there. And again, that's got controlled cards, so your child can do that activity by themselves. This is a little picture pack, so we do stories as well. So this particular story is about the history of counting. So why did humans learn to count? How did it happen? And these little, that gives you the story, and you can present the pictures along the way to help give some visual kind of aids to what's happening in the story. What else have we got in here? We have got some constructive triangles that we use for geometry lessons. They don't always come cut out, but this particular pack they have. This is another cool lesson. This is how to write a Penpal letter, and what we actually do is we match you up with another Curious at Heart member, with their permission of course, and we have a little photo about their child and their age and what they like, and then you guys can actually write to each other and maybe one day even meet up. So really what we want to do with Curious at Heart is when we build a really big community is start having places where we meet up. And we have a Montessori teacher, and we'll run a full Montessori work cycle in an environment as well once a week. So it'd be really cool. This is the kind of lesson where you get to know each other as well. We also have some more 3-part cards on land and water forms. That's kind of the theme of some of the geography stuff. And that's some compliment cards for a grace and courtesy lesson. And that's Penpal Letters, and just some more templates. So I hope that gives you more of an idea of what a kit contains. What I really want is to actually empower you as parents to work with your children, and these lessons are designed for a 5 to 12-year-old child, so they're designed to be engaging for them. They involve movement, hands-on materials, there's no screens in these lessons, and again they're designed so your child can practice them by themselves again and again and repeat repeat concepts through different ways, through variety. So I hope with these packs that, you know, it stops you having to be up all night searching the internet, trying to find a worksheet or a resource or an idea for a lesson, and then having to go and print it out, and your printers run out of ink, and you know, that all gets really expensive. So we've tried to do it all for you so that you can literally the night before read through the presentation you're going to give to your child, and then the next day when the time is right, go ahead and present it and I guess see what grows. But yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed that little tour of what's in our kit, and we look forward to having you join the community soon.